Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing this very glammed up smoky eye look. I did a post on my Instagram and I asked what you guys wanted to see, and I got a lot of people asking for a smoky eye look, so this is my take on smoky eye. I don't know how much makeup people are comfortable with, but if you're going to a big event or I don't know, Afghani wedding, Arabic wedding, you guys would wear this. I know you guys would definitely wear this. If you guys like it, please thumbs it up. And if you guys want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned. So I'm going to start off by applying some of the soft ochre from MAC all over my lid. And for smoky eye, guys, it's better to first do your eyes and then do your foundation. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna do my eyes and then I'll work on the face later. So for this look, I'm gonna be using Morphe's 350M palette. Sorry, my palette is a little worn down. I've been using it a lot. So I'm gonna pick up a little of this shade right here. Apply this all over the lid just to set the primer. With my blending brush, I'm going to pick up this shade right here and I'm going to focus this on my socket. And I want to drag this out, kind of go out, give me like a nice cat eye. With a smaller brush, I'm going to pick up this brown right here. Then apply this right under the, actually right on the crease. It's not under. So just like on the crease right here, make a little V on the outer corner. Bigger brush, just blend these two colors out. With a smoky eye, guys, the key is blending, and you need a lot of blending with this. So I like to warm up this look with this burnt orange, so I'm just gonna pick up a little of that with my small brush and just go over the brown we applied. So I'm just going back and forth with the same shade just to make this a little deeper. And then with a bigger blending brush, I'm just gonna blend it out a little more. And I'm using a very soft hand when I'm using this up right here. Oh, now I'm taking this little jumbo pencil from Physicians Formula. So with this, I'm just gonna go apply it where you see the empty spot. I'm gonna apply that right there. So you see it's like under my crease basically. And I love how it has a little shimmer to it. It's not a lot, just the right amount. And I'm gonna drag it out a little bit right here. Now with a pencil brush, I'm gonna blend this out. And now I'm gonna go in with my Lorax Pro palette. The only shade I'm gonna be using from this palette is the black one. I love this black. It's so dark and beautiful. I'm gonna pick that up with a flat brush like this. And then I'm just gonna apply it over the black jumbo pencil we applied on our eyelid. This is just gonna deepen the black. You can still see the shimmer shining through. I'm gonna go in back with the burnt orange. Just gonna pick that up and blend it with the black. Just blend them out as much as you can. Make sure there's no rough edges. So now I'm gonna pick up this darker brown right here and apply it next to the black. I'm gonna pick up a little of the dark brown again and just apply it right here. So it's basically just going back and forth with your brushes and just blending it out until it looks seamless. And if you want to make it even warmer, you can take a tiny little bit of this orange right here and just go over everything. Just mix it in with the whole brown right there. So now with a clean brush, I'm just gonna blend out everything. Now with the smaller end of my brush, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of the black. And now I'm gonna pick up this burnt orange with a pencil brush. Picking up, I'm gonna just blend this out with the burnt orange. I know it looks like a mess right now, but once the base is clean, you will see how pretty it is. I clean it up a little bit with a wet wipe, so you can tell a little bit how it's gonna look once you have the foundation on. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna go apply my base and do my other eye, and I'll be right back. So guys, I went ahead and I did my base. I am doing another video because I don't want this video to go too long, so I did my base on camera, but I will post that separately. So I did my base, and now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be using for my lashes. And I'm gonna be using these Lily lashes. These are called Houston. I'm gonna apply these off camera, and I'll be right back. So the lashes are on. Now I'm gonna go with this mascara. I have not tried this mascara before. It's the Punk Voluminizer Mascara by Ducey. It's here, you can read that yourself. I don't know if I'm butchering it. I'll show you guys how the wand looks. It's a pretty big wand like that. I got it in my Epsi box. I haven't tried it before. Let's see. Okay. It's giving me lint. Giving me a lot of lint. Not a lot of volume, but it's giving me a lot of length, and I like that. That's fine. Because like, I don't really use it on my upper lashes, so it's working pretty good for my lower lashes. And same thing on the other eye. I like to do like 2 to 3 coats on my lower lashes. So now for lips, I'm going to be using these two lipsticks. This is Leo by Jeffree Star. This is my sign. I love it. And then this is L'Oreal's Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick. And I think I got this when I was in the London airport. I don't know. I haven't seen it here in any stores, or maybe I haven't paid attention. But you guys, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like chocolate, and it says chocolate on it right there. So maybe that's why. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna outline my lips with the Leo. Now I'm gonna go with the other shade, with the lighter shade. I really like the combo. It's so pretty. And oh my god, this is making me so hungry. Just gonna go back with Leo. Blend it with your finger. So this is how the lips look. Okay, also one more step I forgot. So this is the highlighter I used for my highlight, but I'm gonna use this under my brow. So with a small little brush, I'm gonna pick a little bit up and just apply it right here. Sorry, I don't know where these accents are coming from. And also apply just a tiny bit right at the tear duct. And to set my face, I'm gonna use Makeup Last by Milani. So this is the final look. So I've been having so much fun doing these little tutorials because I usually don't have time to do this. I work 9 to 5 Monday to Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday I get busy doing other stuff. So I love doing videos and stuff, but I just don't have the time for it. And now that we are quarantined and stuck at home, this is all I gotta do. I've been doing videos and I have to work from home, so I've been doing that, and then I'll be doing this on the side. So yeah, I'm kind of enjoying this. And if you guys try it out, tag me. I want to see your take on this. And thank you again for watching. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.